gente, tudo bem com vocês? Estou dando início aqui a mais um vídeo para o canal e hoje, gente, o vídeo vai ser de muita limpeza e organização. Vou fazer uma faxina completa na minha geladeira e também no meu banheiro, porque tá tudo muito sujo, tá precisando de uma limpeza e eu vou estar compartilhando com vocês, tá bom? Então, espero muito que vocês gostem do vídeo de hoje. Se você é novo ou novo por aqui, seja muito bem-vindo. Se vocês gostam desse tipo de conteúdo, peço que vocês deixem seu like, se inscreve no meu canal. E se puderem, vão lá no meu Instagram, chama-se Cantinho da Lé, eu vou estar deixando passando aqui. Então, simbora pro vídeo. Gente, eu vou dar início aqui a faxina aqui, olha, na geladeira. Tá vendo? Porque tá uma bagunça. Tudo desorganizado e tá bem sujo aqui minha geladeira. Então, eu vou aproveitar ela pra limpar ela todinha. Tem bastante comida aqui, gente, olha, que não presta mais. Vou juntar tudo em uma sacolinha pra me dar pros cachorros da rua. E é isso aí, gente. Vou dar início agora aqui à faxina.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can't sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. I guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby. I can't sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble and everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. With his humble and everlasting ego. Someone hurt your feelings not that long ago. Every bit of you couldn't face the truth that maybe you're just not that nice and humble kind. That would be a lie. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble and everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here.
Gente, finalizei aqui a faxina na geladeira. Olha, deu uma boa limpada aqui dentro, né? Como vocês viram. Limpei essa parte aqui de cima também, que tava bem suja. Agora, gente, eu vou lavar essa loucinha aqui, olha, porque sempre que eu lavar a geladeira, fica uma bagunça só aqui na minha cozinha. Então, eu vou aproveitar e deixar pra dar uma organizada aqui, olha, na minha pia, né? E aqui no meu fogão, que tá bem sujinho também. E depois eu vou lavar o banheiro.
Hey, like me, want the most in my life. They say you're out of my league, but I don't give a damn. No, deep down I know you want it. You wanna take a leap and jump in. You wanna fall in love. You get me spinning, wouldn't it be awesome if you just kiss me slowly and had me in your arms? If I could make you see it, baby, we'd be something, something to make the starlight jealous up above. Oh, you make me up, hey, lights go out when I see you moving up, hey, light me up. I love when you groove like that. Oh, hey, could be us, kissing in the moonlight. Hey, I'm just saying, if I was your girlfriend. I'm just saying, if I was your girlfriend. Sometimes you think about all the ways I'm making you smile. I know I am what you need, and boy, you're just my type. Deep down, I know you want it. You wanna take a leap and jump in. We're gonna fall in love. You get me spinning, wouldn't it be awesome if you just kiss me slowly and had me in your arms? Oh, you make me up, hey, lights go out when I see you moving up, hey, light me up. I love when you groove like that. Oh, hey, could be us, kissing in the moonlight. Hey, I'm just saying, if I was your girlfriend. I'm just saying, if I was your girlfriend. Everybody else got it going on. 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 You make me up, hey, lights go out when I see you moving up, hey, light me up. I love when you groove like that. Hey, could be us, but let the moonlight up. Hey, I'm just saying, if I was your girlfriend. I'm just saying, if I was your girlfriend. I'm just saying, if I was your girlfriend.
Hello, how'd you do? I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. Hope you're fine, ain't got time to do everything you said you would. Frames of the past and the memory of you just come running by. Pictures of sunny days with your smile in the park. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. Try to be cool, even wear that shirt you wanted to. My friends think I'm lame. Since I met you, I am not the same. It was not meant to be a fairy tale with a happy end. Girl, you take care now. I hope we can be friends. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone. Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. Hello, how'd you do? I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. Hope you're fine, ain't got time. I'm not broken, not broken, not broken. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. Like them.
I never got it, why'd you have to go? I guess this world's too slow for you. I think there's beauty in the gray, the cold, but you just want the gold. And there's no way I can beat it, cause I got no chance, no chance when it comes to her. She got the glitter.
Gente, vim aqui finalizar o vídeo. Espero muito que vocês tenham gostado, tá bom? Fiquem todos com Deus e até o próximo vídeo. Tchau!